Assalamualaikum guys, and once again welcome back to raftplayer.com. Look at what we have for you here today. It's an electric fat bike. You can just see how it looks. We have it available in 2 to 3 colors like red, black. You can see the tire size is approximately 24-inch. It's got an amazing big LED headlight with some super solid shock ups. I'm going to show you how the shock up works. You can see there is a nice removable battery here, and this is basically to check the power of the battery. You can see how long the battery will be lasting. It's got like two lights on the battery, which is half full. You can see that there is a pedal assist, but this bike can actually work even without the pedal assist on its own. It's got a 7-speed gear and it has a 5-speed mode. It has these backlights, the brake lights with the indicators, as you can see here. And then you can see the tires are really nice and fat tires, off-road, meant for mountain purposes, off-roading purposes by Kenda. The pedal is nice and strong. This is how the chain is, and the aluminium bike body is also very strong. It looks super awesome. The speed goes up to 45 to 50 kilometers on the 5th speed mode. It also has a mileage of up to 35 to 40 kilometers per charge. It has a 500 watt motor power. The seat is quite nice and spacious, as you can see. You can easily have 2 people sitting on it. Let me show you the digital display. So here you can see that this is the digital display. This is for the speed modes. Like you have 1, 2, 3. You can go up to like 5 speed modes. You have the gears here. So these are the Shimano gears. You can actually have them moving here, as you can see. So you can see here, these are basically the headlights. Let me show you the headlights here. Let me show you the shock ups also. This is the horn. Just check the shock ups, guys. It's really super cool and powerful. Amazing shock ups. This is the 5th speed mode. It can go up to like 45 kilometers. Then we are going to the 4th speed mode, 27 kilometers. Then we have the 3rd speed mode, which can take you up to 6 kilometers. This can basically go up till 2 kilometers. So this is really for the older kids or the teenagers who want to go on a really low speed mode. And this can help you with the pedal assist also. People who want to just lose weight, have some fitness sort of activities, very helpful for them. That's the horn. There you go. You have a close-up on the entire features. The brakes are also super powerful. There you go. Let me show you how you can ride this bike. There you go. See, without even pedaling, the bike moves on its own. So basically it has a motor power. It can, wow, you can see the shock ups. You don't even need to move the pedals here. There, fantastic. Wow. So those are the shock ups. So that's the latest fat tire bike, guys. Available only at www.raftplay.com.